You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce this number once and for all correctly. If you want to learn more English pronunciations that are correct, more numbers pronounced, stay tuned. I've got more videos for you want to listen to and learn from. 58. British English and American English pronunciations are similar. 58, 58, how to pronounce in English. 58, 58. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.